हो गया. किसने किया? कोई भी कर सकता है एक्चुअली. बट द थिंग इज वो आएगा मेरे पास. हाँ. सो यू कैन सी दिस इज नथिंग बट व्हाट इज Xilinx. बी. यहाँ पे आई एम शोइंग यू हाफ एडर which already I have done it. See, I'll explain you the whole procedure from the start, but I'm just showing you how it works. See, can you see from here there are two things, implementation and simulation. So first of all, when you are writing a code, you will be on implementation side. And when you want to simulate it, when you want to see the output, you will go to the simulation side. So first of all, I have written a program. Now here you can see the program. See, module half adder a comma b comma sum comma carry. ये मैंने एक हाफ एडर का प्रोग्राम लिखा है. इसके अंदर इनपुट, व्हाट इज इनपुट, ए एंड बी इज इनपुट, सम इज आउटपुट, कैरी इज आउटपुट. नाउ assign. See, when you write in Verilog, VHDL, now you will not write assign, but when you are writing in Verilog, you will write assign. Assign, that means this value will be assigned in sum. That is the meaning of this assign operator. So sum is equals to a or b, no? Right? So this is nothing but what? See, if you remember half adder में अपना sum क्या आता था? Sum is nothing but a or b, and carry is, sorry, actually sorry x or है ना? Sum is a x or b, ना? 0 1 1 नहीं sorry, or नहीं, x और है बराबर ना? It is x or, right? So sum
Yes,
is
ma'am.
a x or b, and carry is a and b. So this code, see, ये पूरा ना उसका outline ready आता है. सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये 2 lines है ना, I have written. That's it. After writing this, मुझे synthesize करना होता है, which as it is already done, it is not. So I'm synthesizing, that is nothing but I'm checking the syntax error. You can see it is written process synthesize XST completed successfully, right? So that means my synthesize is completed. If I'm getting any error, I'll get the error over here. Now over here, can you see this weave RTL schematic? The option below synthesize, if you click on this, you can see it is showing me, this is nothing but what? It is showing me a half adder block, A and B, carry and sum, right? Now if I'll click on this, you can see what it is showing. What it is showing? It is showing, see, how they are forming this. This is nothing but what they are forming. See, you tell me, is it showing XOR gate? Is it showing XOR gate? Hmm? Yes or no?
No.
See, in a code, we have written a code like it is doing some XOR operation, it is doing AND operation. But it is not similarly, it is showing the gates over here. Why it is not showing? Because we are going for behavioral mode. That's why it is not showing the exactly gate. But this is nothing but what? How they are doing it internally. So this is nothing but what a carry, and this is nothing but what a sum, and some, for some they are showing something mux sort of thing, they are showing for mux, for some. So this is nothing but your RTL. Now after this, now I want to simulate the thing. For simulation, see, for simulation, I'll go to simulate. Acha, first thing, when you want to simulate, if you want to simulate, what you want to give? When you want to give, see, please observe over here. When I'm on implementation here, it is selected half adder dot v. So this is dot v file where I'm writing my program. When I'll go to simulation, in simulation you can see this is something half adder under test, something it is written. Yes, this file is nothing but called as test bench file. This is nothing but what called as test bench file. What is test bench? Test bench is nothing but, see, the program you have written separately, and what is test bench? Test bench is nothing but you have written what will be the inputs you are want to apply. मतलब आप लोग signals देते हैं ना, we give the signal and we check the output. So in a test bench file, we are writing what signals I am giving. Now here you can see this is nothing but what initialize input A and B. These are your initial input A equal to 0, B equal to 0. Wait for 100 nanosecond, then I'm making A equal to 1, B equal to 0. Then again wait for 100 nanosecond, A equal to 0, B equal to 1. Then 100 nanosecond, A equal to 1, B equal to 1. Are you understanding this? I'm giving all the possibilities of A and B.
मैम ये ऑटोमेटिक आता है सिमुलेशन करने पे
यस,
कि लिखना
सी
पड़ता
ये
है इसको?
सिर्फ मैंने इसमें इतना पार्ट लिखा, ये इतना पार्ट लिखा, बाकी का जो है ना इनिशियल बिगिन, इनिशियल इनपुट, वो सब आता है. सी व्हाट इनपुट यू वांट टू गिव, दैट यू हैव टू राइट.
-100 वो क्या है, डिले है?
डिले 100 नैनोसेकंड डिले.
तो #100 डाले तो वो डिफॉल्ट नैनोसेकंड का डिले
यस
लेता है 100।
यस यस यस, ठीक है ना. ये होने के बाद then we can check the syntax in this also, and after that simulate behavioral model. देखो यहाँ पे लिख के भी आ रहा है, we are going for behavioral model. Once it is completed, it will open the waveform window. This you can see. Abhi right now it is showing for A equal to 1, B equal to 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1. Screen change नहीं हुआ है. Waveform
मैम
नहीं
अभी भी
change है.
वही स्क्रीन दिख रही
वही screen दिख रहा है ना, एक मिनट.
है.
अभी दिख रहा है ना, बराबर. Now over here you can see it is showing the right now the last output, that is nothing but A is 1, B is 1, carry is 1, and sum is 0. Here it is showing in a waveform format. Here you just click on this zoom to full view. Now can you see this? First of all, over here, what is the input? What is the input? You can see it is displayed over here. A is 0, B is 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. बराबर? Yes?
यस मैम।
Then next, we are going for A is equal to 1, B equal to 0. So you are getting carry is 0 and sum is 1. So it is showing sum is 1. Barabar? Then we'll go to the third input, in which we are showing A is 0, B is 1, carry is 0, and sum is 1. And then the fourth one, which is nothing but A is 1, B is 1, it is showing carry 0 and sum is 1. Sorry, sum is 0. Is it clear? Now suppose Suppose over here, if you want to check, if you want to repeat it, right? Suppose. You can see. Is it there is any change? See, this is my first condition, second condition, third condition, fourth condition, and then again it is repeated. A is 1, B is 0, then A is 0, B is 1, and here A is 1, B is 1. Are you understanding? So, in this way, you can just give the input and you can check the output. So, are you understanding the meaning of test bench? In a test bench, what you are giving the sample signals and you are checking the circuit output. Clear? Now, what we'll do, अभी we'll see the whole procedure. अभी हमने just ये check किया कि how the means we simulated, right? We implemented and then we simulated, right? So now we'll see the whole procedure कि how the circuit is formed. So इसके लिए 1 second. No, first when you want to write a program, see यहाँ पे ना actually I'll give you this. I have this handouts मतलब जो अपने ने प्रोग्राम लिखे हैं ना वो मेरे पास है यहाँ पे. So this is nothing but what half adder. You can see. So first of all, we'll start with file, new project. And का लिखते हैं, ठीक है? So you need to give the project name. So we are giving simple and way. Now over here, ये हो गया name. Next is we are going for HTML next. Now over here, right now I'm not doing any changes over here. But if you are using it, अभी suppose करो जो college में अपने पास board है. If you are going to use a board, then here depending upon that board, we need to select the family, device, package, everything we need to do. And over here, see यहाँ पर तुमको Verilog लेना है या VHDL लेना है, that you can select. So I'm going for Verilog. Next. So this is nothing but what my project is created. Now after creating a project, this is same as like if you remember in Keel, first of all we create a project and then we create a source file and then we add it.
Yes.
So new source.
मैम फाइल के नीचे
So now we'll see new source. I mean new source में here you can see it is asking for which type of file you want. So I want to take Verilog module. Hmm. When I'll write a test bench, at the time I'll use Verilog test picture. Okay. So now here I have to get the name. See, if you want, you can define your input and output here also. Whether which input you are taking, which output you are taking, that you can define it here also. Suppose if I'm writing it for AND gate, if I'm taking A is my input, B is my input, and C is my output. So in this way, मेरा जो कोड डेफिनेशन है ना वो इधर ही हो जा रहा है. The A pin is input, B pin is input, and C is my output. You can see. ये इतना स्ट्रक्चर अपने को लिख के आ गया. Is it clear? Yes. Now I need to write here A B input हो गया, C output हो गया. Now I need to add what? AND gate का statement. क्या लिखूं बताओ मुझे. What should I write? Let's see. क्या लिखा मैंने? Assign C equal to A and B. क्या किया है? सिर्फ मैंने A and B एक स्टेटमेंट लिखा है. Now I will I'm synthesizing. This is your next step. See, first of all, you have created a project. Then you have added a source file, which is nothing but Verilog. Then उसमें input output define किया. After writing the input output, I have written whatever means I'm doing and or जो भी operation I'm doing it, right. So that operation I have written. Then I'm going for synthesize. After synthesize, I'll create what a test bench. But before that, we'll just check the RTL. अभी बराबर आ रहा है. See, अभी AND गेट अभी भी मैंने बिहेवियरल मॉडल ही यूज किया है, राइट. बट द थिंग इज व्हाट हियर ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं, एक ही स्टेटमेंट है तो AND गेट ही बना के दे रहा है. इज इट क्लियर? देखो, अच्छा मुझे बताओ यहाँ पर कुछ दिख रहा है तुम लोगों को? A and B here I1 I0 O C. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference? What is the difference? What is the difference between I1, I0, A and B? See, ये जो पूरा का
A
पूरा.
is first
Yes.
A first input है, B second input है.
क्या प्रिया, तुम्हारा तुम इतना स्लो क्यों बोलती हो?
A first input है and B second input ऐसा.
यस. राहुल, तुमको क्या लगता है राहुल?
Same, ma'am.
ये है ना मन में, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. सी, ये जो पूरा मॉड्यूल है ना अपना, ये मॉड्यूल है और ये जो है ना इंटरनल वायर्स है, समझ रहे? I1 I0. तुम यहाँ देख रहे हो कुछ रेड कलर से ज्वाइन किया हुआ है. सी, अभी अपना जो ट्रांजिस्टर होता है ना, एमिटर बेस कलेक्टर, अपने को पिंस बाहर मिलती है, बट वो जो उसकी इंटरनल पिन होती है, कैन यू इमेजिन? वो पिंस है दिस I1 I0 एंड 0 आउट. ओ सॉरी. ठीक है ना. अभी next what I'll do, I will write. न्यू सोर्स, और अभी मुझे टेस्ट बेंच लिखना है। I'll use Verilog test bench. Now this is nothing but what my test bench. अब देखो ये टेस्ट बेंच में क्या क्या दिया है मुझे बताओ। This is nothing but what instantiate the unit under test. UUT. It is nothing but unit under test. So what is our unit under test? This is our sample file, right? So this is unit under test. Initial input is a equal to 0, b equal to 0. Now here I can add whatever I want to give. So what you want to give? So we'll check for all possible inputs. So we'll make a equal to 1. This is 0 and this is 1. And then we'll make a equal to 1, b equal to 1. Is it clear? क्या किया मैंने? What I've done?
पॉसिबल इनपुट्स दिए हैं.
Yes. These are the possible inputs I have given. ठीक है, ये हो गया. Now I'll go to simulation. Simulation पे click करना है, implementation पे नहीं. Simulation, then click on this. नहीं sorry, हाँ यहाँ पे select this. देखो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने इसको सेलेक्ट नहीं किया था तो यहाँ पे प्रॉपर नहीं आ रहा था. आई शुड गेट दिस ISM simulator. So you can see this is ISM simulator. Now we'll go for behavioral check syntax. It's done. Next is simulate behavioral model. Now right now last it is showing a equal to 1, b equal to 1, where output is 1. Just check. You can see this is a equal to 0, b equal to 0, output is 0. When a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to 0. Over here when a is 0, b is 1, output is 0 and game. And a is 1, b is 1, then only your output is 1. Is it clear? Is it procedure is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके आई स्टॉप. ठीक है, एक्चुअली ना मीटिंग है, मैं भूल गई मेरा. ठीक है, सो आई स्टॉप. सो यू जस्ट ट्राई दिस एंड गेट एंड हाफ एडर एंड फुल एडर. ओके, सो आई जस्ट स्टॉप.